Welcome again to the next level of electronic shelf labels here in our Smart Store. Last time we heard that ESLs can be triggered by planogram changes. Let's see today how they can be used for communicating with staff and customers.
Thanks to Blue Yonder's order fulfillment and Luminate software suite, electronic shelf labels offer a variety of meaningful upgrade functionalities. With the staff-facing function, ESLs can be used to display replenishment information. Useful insights such as shelf, position, or facings can be displayed on the ESLs so that staff knows how products are supposed to be placed. To provide detailed information to customers, the customer facing can show various product information, for example nutrition details or product origin. Lastly, supply chain information can be shown on the ESLs, such as out-of-stock details.
Very smart and customer-focused upgrades indeed. Join me next week also to get to know more about click and collect insights.